Thank you for purchasing a WHILL Model F. In this video, we are going to review the out-of-box assembly steps to get you riding in style. When you unbox all of the components, you should have everything that you see on the screen right now. Base unit, battery charger, battery, seat cushion, 2 arm covers, 2 arms, 1 left and 1 right, as well as the optional cargo bag, which you can put to the side for now, as that is covered in a separate video. To begin assembly, you are going to need to start by unfolding the unit. To do so, place your foot on the rear plate. Reach forward to release the button on the right arm while holding the seat bar. And unfold the chair. Next, we will install the arm covers. Take each arm cover and identify the top, which has 2 tabs extruding from the side. Next, we will slide the tabs into the slot and push down until the lower tabs insert into the base of the arm. Press along the sides to ensure a snug fit, and repeat on the other arm. Next, we are going to install the arms, starting with the arm that has the controller on it. The arms can be installed on either side. In this example, we are installing the controller for a right-handed user. Take the controller assembly and feed the connector cable through the arm as seen here. If the arm will not slide into the slot, loosen the knob located on the inside of the arm. Once the arm is securely installed, tighten the knob once again until the arm is secure. Repeat this on the other arm. Next, we will feed the cable through the loops underneath the seat. It is important to use all of the loops to ensure the cable does not get cinched in the folding mechanism. Once you have pulled all the cables through the loops, you can connect them, making sure to tighten the connectors tightly with the weather-tight connector as seen here. If needed, you can lay the unit down on its back, resting it on the back of the arm. Next, we will install the seat cushion using the Velcro tabs. Finally, take your battery and slide it into the battery slot until you hear a click. We suggest charging the battery for 5 hours before your first use. You are now ready to power on the unit and go. Please check out our other how-to videos to learn how to change arm covers, adjust arm width and height, and install and use the WHILL app. Welcome to the WHILL family.